Okay, today I'll be working on a truck to removing the oxidation off the front of this headlight assembly with a kit that I've used on quite a few vehicles. We actually sell it at the local parts store here, 3M Headlight Restoration Kit, in which I've used it on quite a few vehicles, and it turns out remarkably clear, and I'm pretty satisfied with this product. And I wanted to go ahead and share with you today on a quick procedure from before and the multiple steps to the final product, in which I'm pretty happy with the vehicles that I have here that I actually have completed on and turned out real well. So what you want to ensure you do is you want to ensure you have tape, a bottle with water, your kit, there's your part number right there, a drill, it could be cordless or wired, and some wipes. So let's go ahead and get started, guys. So what I do is I go ahead and open up this kit. And of course you got multiple stages. That's your polisher. And they're all pretty much J-hook style. So if you look on the back side, it's got a white kind of velvet feeling. It's J-hook. And it attaches itself to this little deal right here, in which you actually attach it to the front of your cordless drill. You slide it in, and these little pads slide on there. But the first one we're going to go ahead and start off with is stage 1. Then we'll move on to stage 2, and stage 3, and then stage 4, the final product. So I'm going to go ahead and start on headlight number 1. Then I'm going to complete headlight number 2 with the second stage so you can see the difference. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, while sanding through stage number 1, paper, you want to ensure you get a nice evenly coat all the way across the whole headlight assembly. Up and down, right and left, however you need to do to ensure you get the surface evenly sanded down. Even around certain curves. This one's got curves right here. This is on a Dodge 1500, but this is something I want to show you that's crucial for a nice clear headlight finish. Is right here you'll notice this different texture. It's got, you can actually feel the bumps in it, and this side is actually smooth. You want to ensure you get this smoothness throughout this whole headlight assembly. You want to keep working it with that sandpaper, stage number 1, until you have this all over the whole headlight on both sides. And another tip with this, you only get so many of these pads. So what I do is I just hook up an air chuck and it's ready to use again. So if you get it clogged and you have problems, shoot some air on the filter or on the sandpaper, and you're ready to rock and roll. Just ensure you get that throughout this whole headlight assembly. So I'm going to go ahead and continue using the drill with the sandpaper stage number 1 and get that same evenly coated. Then we're going to move on to stage number 2. Alright guys, this one's just about done with stage 1, but you want to make sure whenever you're sanding, see how you can see white all along here, and then it's clear here. This needs to be, this right here needs to be exactly like this. So if you find yourself, after you wipe it down, to find this still on the lens, that needs to go back to stage 1, and you need to sand it off until it's clear. Once that's done, and it's pretty much has a rough texture from stage 1 lid or sandpaper, you're going to then switch up to number 2, and number 2 is going to give you a snowy like powder when you go to sanding it down. You want to make sure you do an even surface from left to right. If your headlight assembly has any curves like this one has a curve that runs across Both of these, again, this is a Dodge pickup truck. You gotta make sure you go around, you get in the middle, edges here, here, kind of here. This pad that's on the front of this, see how it has a soft deal? It can mold around curves. So make sure you go ahead and get those areas. Again, this is stage number 2 right here. From left to right with a snowy texture. Once you're pretty much smoothed out with number 2, we'll be moving to stage number 3. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up stage number 2 here, then number 1 back over there again, then switch to number 2, and then we'll move on to stage number 3. All right, now we're moving. As you can see, stage 2 is complete. It is smooth all the way across the board, and that's what we're looking for after stage 1. Is pretty much removing all the rough surface, still leaving scars in the plastic. Number 2 is smoothing out the plastic, removing the remainder of any of the white oxidation. And then now, once you wipe it off, number 3 is this pad right here. Of course, this pad we're going to be using water. So that's where you have to get a water bottle like so right here. And you're going to go ahead and just attach it on here. And you're just going to pretty much wet your headlight down. And you're going to go to town with this against it. See, it's pretty much becoming clear. It's water and number 3 pad. So I'm going to go ahead and take care of this headlight along with that one over there with number 3. Then we'll move on to stage number 4, which is the final finish polish. Alright, now that stage 3 has been completed with this pad right here, we'll be moving to the final stage, in which will be this polish, this rubbing compound polish right here. We'll pack it along with the polisher pad. And all it is, and everything is pretty much like J-hook style, it comes right off. The pad just kind of right on. You want to make sure you try to keep it as straight as possible. That prevents too much vibration. And you'll pretty much just slit it, dab it all on the front side, and you'll continue the process of polishing evenly from one side to the other. Once the polish dries, all you'll do is get a paper towel and wipe it right off. It's just like waxing a car almost. So you're gonna polish it evenly all the way across until it pretty much gives you clarity completely through it. And then once it dries, wipe it off, and you pretty much will be done. So I'm going to go ahead and get started on this. Alright, stage 4 has been completed. Utilizing the rubbing compound and the final polisher pad. After doing stage 1 with a 500 grit sandpaper. Then stage 2 at 800 grit, stage 3 at 3000 grit, and then stage 4 rubbing compound, polish it up. Once it dries, you wipe it with a clean rag, and these are your final results. So this is a lot better than what it used to be, which was just a white headlight. You couldn't really see anything at night. So it's pretty much clear as can be now. Just need to wipe it down and she's ready to roll out. Hope you all enjoyed the video. And that was with a 3M headlight restoration solution that's pretty much sells at any local parts supplier. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed the video.